how to effectively clean a hospital hallway using our CPI pre-treated microfiber system. Start by taking your E-handle and pocket frame, snapping it into your E-wave mop. Twist the handle and bring to nose height. Lay your first line of solution through the middle of the hallway. Then flip your microfiber pocket mop onto its side and effectively clean your skirting boards. Then continue to lay your second line of solution along the edge of the skirting board. Once you come back to the top of your area, employ your classic S shape, keeping a leading edge and going through that first line of solution you laid down each time. Once you've effectively cleaned the area, twist your E-handle back down, press the button on the back, and dispose of the mop in the E-Carts laundry bag provided.